Alright, welcome back. Now there are a variety of tools that we can use for marking out our work. So these are scribers, there are pencils, there are vivids, and pens are some of those things. Same as we did with the wood, I want to sit my steel over my drawing so that I can see both sides of that line there. So I can see the line that side, I can see the line that side. Just make it a little bit clearer for us. There's my line there, there's my line there. So what I need to do there is to place my steel rule here so that it's got a nice line mark I can see right through, and I can use my scriber to scribe a line through like that. Nice sharp clear line, and I can do it at the front as well. Okay, so make sure that's all lined up there and scribe that off through there. I need to mark where my wheeler is going to go, and my wheeler is going to go there, and my wheeler is going to go there. I also need to mark which direction is the front, which is this way, and I want to put my initials on it as well. Okay, I'm using a scribe because it's nice and sharp. I've got a square. I want to square my lines across and right around the thing. So I need to sit my square with the stock of the square against that and slide it to where it lines up there. Okay, so I can use pencil perhaps to come across, and on the back also use a pencil perhaps to come across. Now the other side, where this mark here is and where this mark here is, I need to join these guys together as well. Okay, so if I join those guys together like that, that will give me a line that I can, so I can use my vivid to highlight where my line is. And the other thing I can do, and I'm going to do in a second, is use my centre punch. So where my wheel is, right there and right there, I want to use my centre punch and my hammer, put it right there, centre punch, centre punch. Okay, so now those lines are ready to be cut. I'm going to do the same thing there. I've got it all marked out, except of course where the cab and the canopy is going to go. So my cab and my canopy, if I line that back up again, my cab is going to sit here, like so, and my canopy will sit back here, like so. Okay, so I just want to mark out the cab and the canopy, and that will be my work ready to go. When I cut it, cut the short side, flip it over, cut the short side, and then you can cut the long side, and of course put your work nicely in your box so that you've got it for next time. Thank you.